If you want to start selling on Hostinger, this tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step so you can add products to your store and get them ready to publish. Whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, or services, Hostinger makes it simple to set up a basic store and begin showcasing what you offer. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more website tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the website section. This is where all of your sites are managed, so go ahead and click websites to continue. After that, find the website you want to sell from and click edit website. This opens the website builder where you can manage your store settings and product listings. Now that you're in the editor, look at the left-hand menu and click store. This is the area dedicated to your online shop. From there, click manage store. This takes you into the store dashboard where you can control products, inventory, and selling options. If you're setting this up for the first time, this is the place where everything starts. Next, click Add Product. Hostinger will ask what type of product you want to create, so choose the option that matches what you're selling. For example, you may be adding a physical item, a digital product, or another type of offering depending on your business. Choosing the correct product type is important because it helps Hostinger display and manage the listing properly. After selecting the product type, you can begin adding your product information. Upload a clear product image so visitors can see exactly what you're selling. Then add your product details, including the name, description, pricing, and any other important information your customers need to know. Try to keep the description clear, persuasive, and easy to understand. If there are sizes, variations, features, or delivery details, include those as well, so buyers have everything they need before making a decision. Once all your product information is in place, take a moment to review everything carefully. Make sure the image looks good, the price is correct, and the product details are accurate. This step is important because it helps avoid mistakes before the listing goes live. When everything looks ready, click Save and Publish. That will store your product and make it available on your website. And that's it. You've now learned how to sell on Hostinger by logging in, opening your website, going into the store section, adding a product, and publishing it live. From here, you can repeat the same process to add more items to your store and build out your online business one product at a time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Hostinger tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.